friends, it's Danny here, and it is day 13 of my Mer-May 2025 series. So let's see what I used today. I did bring in some Spring Bliss sparkling enamel dots from Not Too Shabby. I found a mermaid colored up from the Mer-Me Emotions stamp set. So it's this one right here I found all colored up. I did use this sentiment, Jumping Jellyfish, It's Your Birthday. Then I did bring in an embossing folder. It's from an old one from Stamping Up, the large polka dot. Used a My Favorite Things Blueprints die. Did the number 1. I always like this layered of it. It's just kind of a larger scalloped. And then I used this Not Too Shabby Ice Cream Dreams 6x6 paper pad. I also have had a lot of people asking me where I get these like sleeves or pouches for my 6x6 paper pad. I recently found them through a recommendation of a friend, a crafty friend, and I have linked them in the description box below. I get them on Amazon. They're not too expensive. Actually, I don't know. I haven't even paid attention to the price. I just liked them, so I got them. So that's there. So like I said, I have had several people ask about that. Also in the description box is a playlist to all of my mermaid cards this month and a link to my blog post where if I color it new, I have the Copic colors. This one was already colored up, so I don't have the Copic colors for her, but you can always check out my blog if you want to. And here is my card for today. She's another one that I did freckles on, and I really did a lot of freckles, and I really like how she turned out. And I did kind of a see-through tail there, which I'm not the greatest at, but this one turned out great. And then you can see that bigger scalloped die there. I put the sentiment across there. There's those dots. I didn't really want to bring in another piece of paper, and I didn't want to put white. So I actually did 2 layers of vellum because the die set, if you look, it has 2 layers here. So, because like one layer, you could still kind of see it pretty good, but I wanted her to stand out a little bit more. So I did 2 layers, and I really like how that turned out. And then there's the inside of the card. So there is my mermaid card for Mer-May 2025, day 13. I haven't forgotten about doing, like, I guess sharing how I color the mermaid tails. We were gone this weekend, and we went to the Kansas City Zoo the last day on Sunday, and I am still sore. I am still tired, so I'm still kind of recovering, and I'm kind of collecting my thoughts about how I want to approach that video. I will probably have that up later in the week, but I haven't forgotten about it, just letting everybody know. So until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye now.